Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about Google's SEO and YouTube's SEO, and we are going to compare both the algorithms in this video. Keep watching this video till the end because you are going to get a very good idea of both the algorithms that will really help you grow your website or YouTube's ranking in any of these platforms. And if you want to watch this kind of content, then please consider subscribing to this channel as well. So before any further delay, let's just start the video. So both the algorithms actually check the user experience, and the whole algorithm for both YouTube and Google is based on user experience on your website and your video. For example, the first thing is time spent on your website or on your YouTube video. So in Google SEO, it's about time spent on your website. So if user clicks your website from the search page and then goes to your website and user spends time on your website, then Google really likes it, the algorithm really likes it, and then they rank your website higher. And on YouTube, it's the same thing, that if people come to your YouTube video and if they like the video, that they spend the time on your video, then it's a ranking factor, and then YouTube ranks your video higher. Again, this is just one of the ranking factors. Next thing is bounce rate, and bounce rate is also important in both the algorithms. So in Google's algorithm, if somebody comes to your website and if they leave very quickly and go back to Google, then Google is actually checking it. Google's algorithm is checking the whole journey of user, and they know that we sent the user to your website and they didn't like the website and came back pretty quickly, bounced off very quickly, and that's when they know that this website is not really good for users. Same thing in YouTube, that YouTube, let's say, send users to your video, and if users do not spend time on your website, then nothing's gonna help. So you can go out and do sub for sub, or you can do, subscribe me, you can promote your video on social media, you can pay Google and do Google ads and then promote your video. Nothing will help you if users are not spending time on your website. So far we have discussed time spent and bounce rate. That means how much time they're spending and how quickly they're bouncing off. Next is engagement, and that's again very similar with Google's algorithm and YouTube's algorithm, because engagement is very, very important, guys. And if you have a web page, whether it's a blog or your service page, then Google is actually checking that what kind of engagement is happening on your web page. So if user is clicking something and going to another page, if user is filling up a form, or even buying the product from your website, then kind of Google is checking the engagement, what kind of engagement is happening. And same thing in YouTube video as well. YouTube's algorithm is checking that, okay, user is there on your video, are they engaging? That means, are they liking the video? Are they commenting on the video? Speaking of that, if you guys liking the video so far, please hit a like button to show some support so I can make more of these videos, and leave a comment about what you think about the video. So another similarity is the traffic, how much traffic your web page or YouTube video is getting, and that is where you can play a very important role. You can try to go out there and tell people about your video or your web page. The more traffic you get, more things happening on your web page, YouTube algorithm and Google algorithm will like your web page and video. So try to generate traffic, and that's I have covered this in a separate video, that how to generate free traffic. You can go and check out that video. But the more traffic you have, both the algorithms will love your web page and video. And my next point is optimization, and again, optimization is also very similar in both the algorithms. In Google's optimization is very, very important. So I've been doing it for over 9 years. How we optimize a web page, in simple words, you do your keyword research and try to place the keywords very smartly in your blog or web page. And I've covered another video how to actually smartly place the keywords on a web page. We call it on-page SEO, which is on-page optimization, or optimizing your web page, whatever you want to call it. But basically you are optimizing, improving the page for those keywords that you want to target. Same way on YouTube, again, we have title, description of the video, right? YouTube can even listen to your video, so the keywords in your video. So make sure you actually say those keywords in your video. And of course, the title and description are very important. I always say that put your target keyword at the starting of your title, at the starting of your description. Make sure you optimize your description of video and add the keywords in the description, and of course the tags. These are the small factors that you need to combine, and all those factors, like Google considers over 200 factors that I talk about in my videos, and YouTube also, of course, over 100 factors that they consider before they rank your video. And just like we have tags in YouTube, we also have tags in the Google SEO, right? So in Google SEO we have title tag and meta description tag. So we usually add a title tag. This is not the same as the blog title or web page title. It's different. It's a tag that shows up in the search page. So both have similarities in that. So now let's talk about the differences between the two algorithms. One important difference is the backlinks. So in Google SEO, backlinks are very important. So if any other website is linking to your blog or web page, that is a game changer in Google SEO. And that's not the exactly same in YouTube. I mean, it's a good thing, of course, if someone links to your video from somewhere, you get the traffic, but it's not a game changer. It's definitely a game changer in your Google SEO, because Google see it as a vote. If somebody is linking from their blog to your blog, they're willing to send their traffic to yours, that means it's a big thing. And if an authority website sends the link or traffic to yours, that it's a big win. So that means your website ranks higher. But anyway, so that's the backlinks thing. So backlinks is a little bit different for Google SEO and YouTube SEO. Now comes the last one, which is time spent on your web page, which is at Google SEO, and time spent on your video. Now in this case, the difference is, of course, the time spent is very important in both, as I have covered previously in this video, but it's a game changer in YouTube, because if people are spending more time on your video, then that's it. Like YouTube's algorithm knows that people are loving your videos, and they're watching one video and then another video and then another, and that's how YouTube's algorithm can tell that this person is really something that I should recommend to this user. And that is why I personally try to include less fluff in my video, less intros and less, fluff about my own self and what I'm gonna do and all that stuff. I try to give my users and my followers tips back to back, so try to save their time, so that's what you can do in your video as well. Try to talk less about all those intros and graphics and all that things. Try to give more value, and then people will stick to your video till the end, and that's how they will actually spend more time and watch more of your videos. And that is a game changer in YouTube. In Google web SEO or web page SEO, yes, it's important, but it's not everything. In YouTube, it's everything. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope by comparing these algorithms, you got an idea about how YouTube's algorithm work and how Google's SEO works as well. So I hope you implement these tips on your channel or on your web page, and watch my other videos for more SEO tips. Please consider subscribing to this channel, because if you subscribe, then I will be making more videos and you will not miss out my future videos. Thanks guys, I will see you in my next video.